Villa A by teamSTAR in Yokosuka, Japan. The villa, named for its location on Akiya Beach, commands a breathtaking view of the Pacific Ocean near the town of Hayama, the birthplace of Japanese yachting culture. Befitting this stunning natural environment, the villa's design seeks a sculpturesque form, symbolized by the large vaulted roof and its series of arches that resemble white, rolling ocean waves. Though the site is located on the slope of a southwest-facing hillside, the roof is oriented westward toward Mt. Fuji. The presence of the ocean can be felt everywhere in the building, and the design includes elements that allow for a range of distinct ocean views. The basement-level entrance hall calls to mind the ocean floor, with a white spiral staircase that evokes the image of a spiral seashell rising from the depths toward the surface. From the top of the stairs, a striking view of the Pacific Ocean unfurls. The building's configuration conforms to the elevation differences inherent to the site, evidenced by the step-like gradation of the vaulted roof's arches. In an effort to minimize effects on the environment, the level of the floor was made to follow the site's natural slope, reducing the amount of soil needing to be removed and carried out. This design gives rise to a myriad of interior vantage points, with the entrance, living room, dining room, loft area, and well-equipped kitchen, each offering a unique ocean view from its elevation. Meanwhile, the emerald green floor evokes the colorful waters of reefs and shallows, and the color scheme on the main level gives the impression one is sailing on a yacht. The curved lines of the vaulted roof create the illusion of expansiveness in the interior space. While the building structure is mainly reinforced concrete, the roof is a wooden structure consisting of a series of continuous arches built with 7 x 900 mm cross-laminated timber panels, a design that required extremely precise planning and construction techniques to implement. Additionally, the distinctive, large sash windows at the corners of the living room create a seamless continuity between the interior and exterior when opened, endowing the interior space with an outdoor ambience. The terrace features an infinity pool, wood-burning sauna, and outdoor kitchen, as well as a jacuzzi that is easily accessible from outside, elements designed to create the ideal setting for entertaining friends and family. The result is an oceanfront villa with the amenities of a resort, a villa that perfectly suits a laid-back lifestyle and provides a deep connection to the blue waters at its doorstep.